Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, you'll see a traditional method of splitting extremely hard stone using only chisels and a heavy sledgehammer. Although this technique has been used for generations, it remains one of the most effective and efficient ways to split large stones into construction materials. However, this job is far from easy. It requires experience, patience, precision, and physical strength. The process begins with carefully examining the stone. Every rock has its own natural structure, and an experienced stone mason knows that choosing the right splitting line is the key to success. Instead of striking the stone randomly, the worker studies its shape and determines the best place where the crack is most likely to follow. Once the line has been selected, several steel chisels are placed along the surface of the stone. Each chisel is positioned at an equal distance to ensure that pressure is distributed evenly. This preparation is one of the most important parts of the entire process because the final result depends on the correct placement of every chisel. After all the chisels are in position, the stonemason begins striking them one by one with a heavy sledgehammer. Every hammer blow is controlled and deliberate. The goal is not simply to hit the stone as hard as possible, but to build pressure gradually along the entire splitting line. This method allows the crack to develop naturally without damaging the quality of the stone. The type of stone featured in this video is extremely hard and dense. It will not split after just one or two hammer blows. Sometimes it takes dozens of powerful strikes before the first visible crack appears. This is where experience makes the biggest difference. Skilled workers listen carefully to the sound of each impact and watch for tiny changes on the stone's surface. These signs help them decide where and how hard to strike next. As the pressure continues to increase, a crack slowly spreads through the stone. Finally, the large rock separates into clean pieces that are ready to be used as foundation stones and other construction materials. The finished stones are then carefully stacked, ready to be transported to building sites. This traditional method proves that simple hand tools can still produce excellent results when used with the right technique and years of experience. Every successful split is the result of patience, knowledge, and dedication, rather than strength alone. Thank you for watching this traditional stone splitting process. If you enjoy videos about manual craftsmanship, construction work, and skilled stonemasons, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. Stay until the end to watch this incredibly hard stone finally split into strong foundation stones using nothing more than chisels, a heavy sledgehammer, and expert craftsmanship.